हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल रियल लाइफ स्टाइल में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। जैसा कि आप जो देखते हैं कि मैंने आपको कल इंग्लिश के कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको प्रोवाइड किए थे जो कि सीटेट के एग्ज़ाम के लिए काफ़ी यूज़फुल हैं और उसके लेकिन कुछ क्वेश्चंस इसके मतलब रह गए थे, तो वो मैं आज आपको आगे दिखाती हूँ। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन 36 है, बॉटम अप प्रोसेसिंग इन लिसनिंग इज़ टू। तो इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा डिकोड मैसेजेस मूविंग फ्रॉम साउंड्स टू वर्ड्स पैराज। फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ द फॉलोइंग स्ट्रेटजी नो एज इन रीडिंग। द टेक्स्ट इज रीड more slowly and in detail to get the gist or overall sense of the text। ऑप्शन इसमें दिए गए थे, स्कीमिंग, इसका फोल्डिंग, स्कैनिंग, समराइजिंग। इसका राइट आंसर हो गया स्कीमिंग। फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अ टीचर आस्क्स हर लर्नर्स ऑफ क्लास 7 टू रिफर टू द टेक्स्ट बुक ऑफ हिस्ट्री एंड फाइंड ए थीम विच कैन बी कनेक्टेड विद इंग्लिश। A teacher asks her learners of class 7 to refer to the textbook of history and find a theme which can be connected with English language text for writing an essay. What is this practice known as? Option 1, language in learning, language and history integrated learning, language and social science learning, fourth, language across the curriculum। इसका राइट आंसर है लैंग्वेज अक्रॉस द curriculum। Next question, multilingualism as a resource means। one, option 1 है teaching many languages, number 2 promoting of language through content learning, option 3 learning many languages in school, fourth using the language of learners as a strategy in school। Right answer is fourth, using the language of learners as a strategy in school। Then next question is, match the type of writing with their corresponding category। इधर मतलब here list 1 and here list 2। तो A personal writing, B study writing, third creative writing, fourth public writing। ये पर्सनल राइटिंग, तो इसका फोर्थ ऑप्शन हो जाएगा। इसका 140 का है राइट आंसर, फोर्थ 1341, सॉरी सेकेंड थर्ड 41, सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ एंड 1। ठीक है। अब देखिए इसका पर्सनल राइटिंग का मैच किससे हो गया है, डायरी राइटिंग। फिर स्टडी राइटिंग है सिनॉप्सिस राइटिंग, और क्रिएटिव राइटिंग है ट्रैवलेग, और पब्लिक राइटिंग है लेटर ऑफ कंप्लेंट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 141, अ टीचर डिवाइड्स divides her class into groups of 5 and allocates different themes to the groups. The groups have to collect information on the thief and write reports to be presented to the class. What is this activity known as? इस एक्टिविटी को क्या कहेंगे, राइटिंग वर्क, रिसर्च, असाइनमेंट एंड फोर्थ प्रोजेक्ट वर्क। राइट आंसर इज प्रोजेक्ट वर्क। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, process approach to writing involves। Process approach to writing involves option 1, outlining, revising and writing the final draft, second, writing the first draft, revising and developing the final draft, third, brainstorming, outlining, drafting, revising, proofreading and drafting the final writing, fourth, brainstorming, writing the first draft and final writing। Right answer is third, brainstorming, outlining, drafting, revising, proofreading, and drafting the final writing. Next question is continuous assessment focuses on. Continuous assessment focuses on option 1 informal and a combination of both formative and summative. Second, outcome and achievement based assessment. Third, formal assessment. Fourth, informal assessment. Right answer is informal and a combination of both formative and summative. Next question is pre-reading activity in class is to. Pre-reading activity in class is to option 1 enable learners to know about the story which they would read ahead. Second, all of these. Third, connect learners previous knowledge with what she learns in the reading text. Fourth, connect learners with one another. Right answer is 3. Connect learners a previous knowledge with she learns in the reading text. Next question is 145. Pedagogical grammar is. Pedagogical grammar is grammar in context to connect grammar points with real the context. Second, grammar with formal rules to be applied while writing. Third, grammar of pedagogy. And fourth, grammar for teacher. Right answer is 1. Next question, what are these words known as? The, of, and, a, to, that, it, with, but, they, say, he. Option 1 use words, unimportant words, sight words, form words. Right answer is sight word. Next question, a teacher gives a puzzle to her class 8th students and asks them to solve it by speaking out how they solve it. What is this strategy known as? Listening, picture reading, speaking aloud, think aloud protocol. Right answer is thinking aloud protocol. Next question is Sanskrit in India today is a. Sanskrit in India today is a religious language, Hindu language, modern Indian language, and a classical language. Right answer is fourth, modern Indian language and a classical language. तो दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही रखेंगे, कल फिर न्यू क्वेश्चंस को लेकर के मैं आऊँगी, तब तक के लिए ओके बाय बाय।